The secular land is basically a rural, traditional society where the fight against physical violence has not yet lost its relevance. Furthermore, the non-physical forms of violence receive much less attention, and they are much less the topic of prevention and awareness-raising campaigns. In 2021, the councillors of the Kalot Association from Miercurea initiated a gap-filling project in the region. Their message, violence is not merely physical. Their aim with the project was to start a paradigm change among the youth and young adults, a change in their mentality and their mental maps, to reinterpret the concept of violence, to sensitize them towards recognizing and handling non-physical forms of violence as well. The basis of the project consists of 2 short films, each 5-6 minutes long, that present 2 types of non-physical violence. One of the films draws attention to the different forms of verbal violence in relationships, the other to mobbing, harassment at the workplace.
Meséljem el újra a cápa mesét. Ez a tenger. Felül van a nagy hal, alatta kisebb, alatta még kisebbek, és legalul van a hínár. Látod ezt a pici pontot? Ez a cápaszar. Ez vagy te.
The 2 films have been utilized in 2 different ways. They started living their own lives on the internet, on different film sharing and social networking sites, becoming part of an intensive process of mediatization.
Egy időben, amikor kimentem valakivel, akkor még azt is le kellett fotóznom, hogy éppen kivel vagyok. Most meg már a GPS koordinátáimat is kéri.
At the same time, we also trained 15 of our counselors to organize for the youth 1.5 2-hours-long interactive sessions built on the film. Our goal was to make the participants able to recognize and understand the non-physical forms of violence, to make them empathetic towards the victims, and to provide them efficient but non-violent methods of protecting themselves from such forms of violence. The most important conclusion we can draw from the feedback received from participants can be summed up in one sentence: everyone needs to know about this.